Hi, I'm Stephen, and today we are replacing the daytime running light in the bumper of my 2011 Volkswagen Passat. Now additionally, you're going to have to buy a bulb, 21 watt, 12 volt bayonet. That's the standard fitting. You can get LEDs, but I'm told that can still leave the warning on your dashboard, and that's no good. That's why I'm going with the standard bulb. Okay, just going to put the screwdriver in, which is a flat blade by the looks of it, into the spot where it's going to go, and I'll just do that and try and get it out in a second off camera. Let's just give you some idea of where it is in there. Okay, that's the screw out. Well, get it in focus a bit better. Fairly straightforward. Now, the next part's probably the difficult part. Let's see. Okay, I've got a little plastic lever which is designed for putting your cables when you're putting a dash cam in. I'm going to give that a go to give me some assistance in getting this part out. The reason I'm using that plastic is that metals very likely to damage the paintwork, and you've got to be pretty damn careful with plastic as well, really. Oh, sugar. Didn't like the sound of that much. But it looks okay. So I'm not blocking the camera. So it sort of inserts into this side. I'd be very reluctant to just pull it out the way the Volkswagen described it. That's why some people go in from underneath, but that involves getting Torx screws and undoing the plastic underneath the car, which I didn't really want to do. Okay. Seem to be getting somewhere here. If you just, I'll just move the camera over and just show you this side bit and how it's sort of slotted in there. So you've got to be careful not to break these off. Okay. Okay, we'll go back to struggling with this. Oh, there we go. Suddenly it was really easy. Right, now, second step, there's some screws inside. We'll just pause the camera. Okay, so let's try and take these screws out. Can be undone very easily. One. Again, I'm using a flat blade screwdriver. You might be able to use a Phillips head on these. Either will work. Very easy to come out. I don't know if you can see that, but flathead or Phillips head will probably do the job. Alright. And then we just pull it out. And I've got to work out which one is the blown one. Okay, so now obviously the blown one is the large bulb, the 21 watt one. So we'll pull that out from the back shortly. Looks fairly simple. Very easy. out with the obviously blown one. And in. Done. Okay. Then we're just going to reverse the process. Looks pretty simple with the screws. So. Alright, we'll just straighten these lugs right out just here. See if that makes a difference. Aha! Now that's what you needed to do. Okay, so then we're just in with the last screw into this spot down here. Little fiddly jobs. Sometimes harder than they look, but this hasn't been too bad. Don't know what happened there. Got to get that on the right angle. Hopefully that's actually screwing into something. Yeah, get this tight now. Okay. Pretty good. Thanks for watching.